interesting facts about Charminar. Who constructed Charminar?
The Qutub Shahi dynasty ruled the Golconda Sultanate in northern Deccan Plateau, that is Telangana, from 1512 AD to 1687 AD. The fifth ruler of the Qutub Shahi dynasty, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, built the Charminar in 1591.
Why Charminar was constructed?
It is said that at that time there was a great epidemic called plague disease in and around Hyderabad. Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah took many stern steps to deal with the epidemic. Then the Charminar Memorial Mosque was constructed as an endmark of the plague disease.
Where Charminar was constructed?
Charminar is situated on the east bank of Musi River. It is believed that Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah erected Charminar right at the center of Hyderabad. The entire city was planned around the historical monument in a grid iron pattern. No wonder you can get a bird's eye view of the city from the top of Charminar.
Clock from London.
4 clocks were installed in 1889 by the 6th Nizam, Mir Mahbub Ali Khan Bahadur, on 4 arcs of Charminar, which was brought from London.
Cat head in Charminar.
If you look closely at one of the arcs on the eastern side of the Charminar, you would find a cat's head carved in it. As mentioned earlier, the mosque was built to mark the end of plague disease. Since plague is spread by infected rats and cats kill rats, the latter was included in the architecture to represent its role in eradicating the disease.
Secret tunnel.
It is also said that there is an underground tunnel that links the Charminar to Golconda Fort, which was the former capital of Quli Qutub Shah, and provides an escape route to the royal family in case of an emergency. However, the location of the secret tunnel is unknown.
Structure of Charminar.
The structure of Charminar is completely square. Each side is 20 meters. 4 grand arcs open on 4 different roads and stand 11 meters wide. The tower is 56 meters high, which has 2 balconies which are topped with complex carvings on small delicate domes and outer walls. There is a spiral staircase with 149 steps and 12 landings inside the minarets.
Materials used to construct Charminar.
The structure of Charminar is made up of granite, limestone, mortar and marble. Architects from Persia were invited to build Charminar.
Mosque in Charminar.
Charminar is a 4-story structure with a mosque on its upper floor. This mosque is built on the western corner of the open terrace. The rest of the roof was used as a court during the Qutub Shahi reign. Charminar was the very first multi-story building built in Hyderabad.
Bhagyalakshmi Temple.
Bhagyalakshmi Temple is located at the base of Charminar. It is believed that the Charminar is the place of devotion of both the communities for so many years, which gives a message to the world about the secular tradition of Hyderabad.